Let's install Resurface. So after you fill out our Getting Started form, you're going to receive an email that comes with instructions on how to install Resurface Pilot Edition. These also come with a login to our Docker repository. So first thing you're going to want to do following the instructions here is install Docker Desktop on your machine. I've already done this. One thing that you're going to need to do after you install it is go into Settings, Resources, and make sure that your memory is set to at least 4 gigs of RAM. After that, we're going to pull open our terminal and make sure that Docker is installed using Docker version. And then we can go ahead and log into Resurface. So Docker login docker.resurface.io. You're going to want to put in the username included in the email as well as the password. One thing that trips some people up who haven't done this before is the password doesn't actually show anything when you paste it in. It's just hiding it, protecting it, but it is in there. I just pasted it. So I'll press enter and we get login succeeded. Next, you're going to run this command to install your database. Paste that in. And it's going to take a second to download, so we'll fast forward here. And that's it. It should be running. So now, if we open our browser to localhost 4002, it shows the Pilot Edition UI, and it'll take a second to load up. The database is booting up in the background, so it'll just have you on this page saying diving deep. We'll give it a second. And there you have it. Resurface is now installed and running. If you need help with this setup, you can contact our support. There's a link to it right here. Or it's just resurface.io/contact. Or even better, join us on Slack and I can help you personally and walk you through the install process. Thanks for watching.